So as field engineers, we always end up keying in coordinates off of PDFs, either from PlanGrid or wherever we get the PDF from that we're working off of. We always end up keying in coordinates, and there's a whole lot of chance for you to screw it up. I don't know how anybody else does it, but I'm usually going through it obsessively like 3 or 4 times to make sure I haven't screwed anything up when I key in all this stuff into my collector. So today I'm going to show you a way to do it straight out of Bluebeam. I'm using Bluebeam Extreme, but we've tried it on regular Bluebeam Review that all of our field engineers should have, and it works the same way. So I'm going to open up a drawing that I downloaded from PlanGrid and show y'all how to do it. So there we go. Tell it no. Okay. Now if you've got a scanned in drawing that's scanned in PDF, not one that was natively put into PlanGrid as a PDF from AutoCAD, then you might need to run OCR on this. But in this case, this one doesn't need OCR, so we can do it with regular view. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to File. I'm going to come down here to Export. Come down here to Excel Workbook. You can do the whole, like if you're just on a sheet where you have nothing but chords, you can do an entire document if you want to, but I prefer to do the page region. I might have to do this a couple of times to get all of these, because I'm only going to do one block at a time. Otherwise it comes in a weird format. But so let's just show you the page region way. And I'm going to cut off all this stuff because I know what I've got, point number north and east. So rather than get all this and have to delete it and end up with weird rows, I'm just going to go ahead and take what I know I need, loop it in, and I'm just going to save this to my desktop. I've already done this, so it's probably going to ask me for an overwrite, but if you haven't done this before, then with this exact document, then it will just go ahead and save it. So as you can see, it has made a, zoom in here a little bit, that way it comes in clear. Okay, so I've actually got all of my points out of there with about, what was that, 4 or 5 button clicks. And to get this right to go into the collector, I'm going to go in here, and you don't actually have to format the cells. It'll read it without it, but it bothers me, so I'm going to do it. Go ahead and turn that off on the cell format, get all the line work out of it. So now I have the points with the right numbers on it already. All I have to do to load this in is I'm going to go down here, File, and Save As. And where doesn't matter so much as what, but I'm saving everything to my desktop. I'm going to save it as caissons, and we need to go here, save it as a CSV, comma separated values, and then save. So all I have to do now is drag that file into my data section on my jump drive and plug it into the collector and go ahead and upload it as a CSV. So then you'll have those points immediately.